Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to show special shipping for specific collections in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the collections condition. So first, we'll search for collection in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination, Select Essential 2 combination, or Elite 1 combination to continue. Here in the condition, we select If Not Found and set Bare Collection. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. However, for this example, we need an additional OR condition. So we'll click on the Add an OR condition button, then click on the Add a Condition button. Now from the list, add again Collections condition. Then we select If Not Found alone and set Bare Collection again. Now set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should only be shown when a product from the Bare collection is added to the cart. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because only products from the Bare collection are in the cart. Now, let's go back to the cart page and add a product from another collection to the cart. Go to the checkout page again and check. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. According to the rule, if there are no Bare collection products in the cart, free shipping should remain hidden. Let's check that as well. Now we'll remove the Bare collection product from the cart and check again. Again, go to the checkout page. Yes, free shipping is still hidden. That's it. This is how you can show special shipping for specific collections. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!